3 for Tiger. Tiger.
3 for Tiger.
Like this?
Uh-huh.
But do you feel like a metal ball right here?
Yeah.
You use this for your nose to hang on your nose.
Mm-hmm.
If this doesn't work.
And then you wrap around your ear. Wow, it's a beautiful day today. It is almost summer, guys. Where's Tiger now? I gotta look for Tiger. Tiger. Tiger, where are you, Tiger? Huh? What's that? Tiger? Tiger, was that you? Oh, there you are, Tiger.
Hey, Daddy.
How you doing today?
Welcome to TigerBox. Today, we got this mask.
Face mask.
Yeah, face mask. To protect you from...
Protect you from germs.
Yeah, germs.
Oh, cool. So, you know what we're doing today, Tiger?
Today, we're bottle flipping for a face mask.
Face mask. All
After
right.
we bottle flip, we'll demonstrate how to use the mask.
Yep, how they put back the mask on. All right, Tiger, let's go pick your bottle.
And here you got all the masks.
Yep, we got choose a bottle, Tiger. And if you guys want to, if Tiger, did you tell them about your TV show?
Oh yeah. Look, guys, it's called Roku.
Roku, okay? So Tiger now is on Roku.
Yep, which is on TV.
Yep, you watch them on TV. But first you need this device.
Yep.
This Roku device. You can get at Walmart or what else? Amazon.com.
Well, you need a TV first, though.
No, I mean, yeah, they have the TV. And it's very easy to connect. And all you do is connect it to your TV. That to your TV, that's it. And then you have the remote.
Yep.
Then you can see Tiger on TV. Here's a little sample. I'll show you a little screenshot. So, pick your bottle, Tiger.
Alright, I'm picking... Which is a good bottle?
So what you do is bottle flipping for masks. See all these masks? We got this at the
Let's see how they work well.
we get this at the medical supply store. So if you want to, if your parents want to get a mask like this, you just go to your medical supply store.
The medical supply store.
Okay, Tiger.
They look good. I'd rather choose this one.
Okay, he choose that one. I choose this one. Okay.
Alright.
So we're flipping for how many masks? Can you count?
I think there'd be a 50 something or I don't know. Let me see. I already saw 3. There's a lot. I can't count.
About 20 up there, Tiger.
20.
Yes, about 20 masks.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So
yeah, that's just gonna take forever for the video.
so 20 masks. One bottle flip. Got it?
Here we go. 1 mask equal 1 bottle.
Okay, let me get my let me get my arm ready. Hang on. Okay, how about you? Yeah, exercise your arm.
My arm are good.
He's good.
There we go. All right.
Okay, ready? Go ahead and count down, Tiger.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh.
So you gotta land 3 times, okay? Oh. 1 for Tiger. 0. 0 for... Okay, get mine, please. Okay, 1 for Tiger. 2 for Tiger. 3 for Tiger. Tiger is the winner. All right, winner. Okay, Tiger, he got the mask. Okay, Tiger, you want to demonstrate how to put the mask on?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead, demonstrate.
So, you don't use this side to put on your mask like this. You don't use it. You use the white side.
Okay, the white side, uh-huh.
Like this.
Uh-huh.
But do you feel like a metal ball right here?
Yeah.
You use this for your nose to hang on your nose.
Mm-hmm.
If this doesn't work.
And then you wrap around your ear.
Yep, wrap around your ear and then you do this.
There you go. Can you breathe?
Yeah.
Can you talk?
Yeah.
Can you hear? Turn around this, like this.
Yeah.
See how from the side view, that how the other side view.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see? So this will protect you from the germ.
Yep, germ.
And what else should protect you from a germ? Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
With what?
Soap. Lather it. And scrub.
And scrub, yeah. Try not to touch your face too much because that's how germs spread. Okay? So you know what? Let's do one more bottle flip for the box now.
The box doesn't have anything now.
Yeah, but it still have something in it.
Like what? Let me
No,
see.
no, you gotta win it. You gotta win it, then you can see what's inside of
Alright,
it.
let's see.
Okay?
Alright, 3.
Yeah, you wanna put your mask on?
No, it's gonna bug me.
Okay, then you're gonna put it on when you go outside, okay?
1.
There you go. 3. Oh, how come I'm not getting it, Tiger? I used to be good at this. Oh, 1 for Tiger.
1.
Oh. Oh. Oh no! No! Oh. Oh. Oh no! Close! Close! I'll trade you bottle.
No.
Oh!
Hey, I still get that point. You lost it.
Okay. What happened was
I did it at first.
he got it,
Yeah, I
and
got
my bottle knocked his bottle down, and so he got that point. So I'm gonna give him 2.
Yeah, cause I
Yeah,
landed.
2. Yeah.
If you hit
What happened?
and then I landed, I didn't get. I wouldn't get that point.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go.
Here we go. Okay, let's move.
Oh. Oh, Tiger win the rule goal. Rule goal.
Let's see.
Tiger got it again.
What we got in here? Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake. What is inside?
How we open it?
Let's find out. Everybody staying home, being safe.
Yep. Everyone's staying home, being safe.
Yep.
Here we go. I got
So
it.
Tiger's been staying home and playing game all day. Tiger, let's see your face.
Huh?
See your face. You've been playing game all day. Oh. So Daddy had to cut his hair. Let's see, Tiger. I didn't do a good job. Let's see. Turn aside.
Teeth,
I did an okay job. And the other side.
teeth.
Yeah. So Dad had to cut his hair today.
Yep.
So what you got?
I got this thing here.
And that's a manic, Tiger.
What does that mean?
It's like a manic. Was it a stick or manic? Can you feel it? What's it for? Let's see. Oh, it is a sticker. How long was it for? Can you read it?
What's this?
Oh, what is this? Oh, I know what it is.
What? Now we got this thing. Should we open it?
You open it and see.
What are they going?
So, yeah. So this it costs. How much it costs? $29 at Walmart. Yeah, $29.99 at Walmart.
Which is $30.
So you get to watch all the TV show and TigerBox.
Yep.
Yeah, what you got in there? More sticker? Ooh, look, we got sticker.
I love Roku.
Oh, look at I love Roku. Cool. You know, should we put this on, Tiger?
Oh wait, I just found it. Look.
Is it for? Oh, I get it. It's for the that one device, the main device. You put it on the wall or stick to the TV. See? See, it says stick to the TV. So that's what it's for. Okay, good job, Tiger.
I found it instantly.
Okay, what's this one for?
Let's see. Oh, it's this menu.
So we gotta stick that on the TV. That's what we didn't. We gotta do that, Tiger. We didn't do that. They don't show it, huh? Must be extra stuff, Tiger. Yeah, it's easy to set up. Let's see. So what you want to do is hook. That's the device that came in the box with it. It's like a loading unit. So you hook your HDMI to your HDMI TV. That's setup number 1. Then you go ahead and what do you call it? Hook up your power source to your wall. Then you they got not different. Oh wow, you got USB power source too from the TV. Then you what's it? Let's see. What else you do? Or you can mount it on top, side, or below. Then you use the controller to view the top view. Oh, you don't. Don't hide it. Don't place it in hidden places.
Let me see.
See? Place your streaming player behind the TV. Do not place your streaming TV behind the TV, okay? So then you go to your power on the TV and select the input. So it'll be HDMI 1. And that's the controller with the battery. It comes with a battery too, so you should be good. Okay, Tiger. That's it.
Yep.
So we demonstrate how to put a mask on. Go ahead and put your mask on. Protect you from disease. And what you wearing? Your new glove? What is that? So everybody have a safe stay at home and watch a lot of TV, play game, and what else? Do homework, right, Tiger?
Yep.
So Tiger's been doing homework at home on his computer. He have his homework, and now he's ready. He's ready. Tiger, that's not cover your nose. You gotta cover your nose. Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
Okay, what you say, Tiger?
Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching my
TigerBox.
Make sure to
like
and
subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
What's up, guys? If you like this video and like to see more video, please subscribe and like, please. Thank you.